Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be swatching the NOVO Quicksand Glitter palette in shade number 3 Gold. Now this is a beautiful palette, one of the most beautiful palettes ranges I own. I have all 4 of these variants. This is the third one, which is the Gold Glitter palette. If you're interested in what it looks like, continue watching. This is the most beautiful of all the 4. You can see the beautiful golden stars. My daughter just loves these palettes and wanted to steal them from me. Anyway, let's get on with the shades you get in the golden palette. These are the 12 beautiful shades you get in here. Again, a mix of mattes, pearl shades, shimmer shades. We do not get any glitter shades in here. You only get one bright metallic yellow shade which corresponds with the packaging. So carry on watching for a much closer look and live swatches of this palette. I hope you enjoyed this video and the swatches were helpful in making your decision. If you're interested in buying these palettes, they're available at Aliexpress. You get 4 variants. This was the gold one and it costs $8 and the shipping costs $150. And it takes 1 month to reach you if you live in India. I hope this was helpful, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Till next time, bye and have a nice day.